Who's none other than Dr. who's going to be the guest of honor at this event. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we're inspecting the stalls.
Like it prevents complications like stroke, acute stroke, possible situations, and it really improves quality of life. That's why we have endeavored to see as much as possible coming, injecting with the same space.
Thank you very much. Thank you for support.
We don't cry out without particular medical supplies that we can have locally.
To see our signatures, that is when they will know that the task forces have been done. The Students Association representative,
I came with the team. And let me start with the team from the LCD department.
Compatibility, before starting a family, prevent
Baba Sharon, mostly the men. There is research shows that most sickle cell children are in the hands of single mothers. Abasajja banange mutuyambe temweranga Baba Sharon. Baba Sharon ni omwana yamusuulawo. But these are not the men that are in this tent.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. May we help Martha back to her seat. Colleagues, once again, let's appreciate performance from the
Cell Students Association, Catherine Field Support Initiative, all implementing partners within Busoga region. By the Director General Health Services at the Ministry of Health and all the line commissioners here present, Mulago Referral Hospital, Makerere University, Uganda Pediatric Association, Jinja Regional Referral Hospital, but we don't see them anywhere in our database. So Luoka District, we don't have you anywhere. Jinja District, we don't have you anywhere reporting.
Okay, front.
So what happens is that
ekisinga n'obulamu ne bulugenderamu nze naawe kitukwatako tuyambe ababulina abazungu bebayita sickle-cells bulwadde buzibu nnyo tusaanye tulwanire wamu abo bonna ababulina tubayambe tebalina musango obulwadde bwansegerano bakubazadde baffe bombi.
HBAS, those that have the traits, the carriers, are accounting for 23.3% of the total numbers tested. But you realize that we always quote the national average to be between 13 to 15%. So Busoga, even from the numbers that we've tested so far, is above the national average. And like I said, those with the disease were up to 1.6%. And so this is the summary of what we did in the testing. I know there were some challenges because at some point we wanted confirmatory test kits and we were delayed. Busoga sub-region had not yet received supplies from NMS. We had to, try and solicit from our partners to give us some kits, and at some point some districts had only solubility tests. So we understand those setbacks, but we will continue to support the region even after the commemoration. Because trust me, this burden is high. The higher the number of those with the trait, the higher the chances that a person with the trait will meet another who has it and they get married. And you know that when a carrier marries a fellow carrier, the chances of them having a child with sickle cell disease are as high as 25%. So we need to ensure that we get these carriers and educate them accordingly so that they don't marry fellow carriers. They get people who are AA, because we actually have many of them who are AA, so it's easy to find one who is AA instead of getting a fellow carrier and getting sick. But we are also going to intensify care and treatment. We are going to go into our health center force and ensure that all these positives are actually in care, and they are offloading the regional referral of the burden that they have at Nalufenya.
Amanya gange nze Dr. Sise Kityo Mutuluza nga nkulira ekitongole ekya Joint Clinical Research Center. Tuli wano leero ejjinja nga tukuza olunaku olwa sickle cell disease, tulukuza mu nsi yonna olunaku olwo, naye leero tulukuliza Jjinja kuba Jjinja y'emu ku bitundu bya Uganda ebisingamu sickle cell disease. Naye nga Uganda yonna tulina sickle cell disease ali waggulu nnyo. Abaana nga 2,000 bazaalibwa buli mwaka ne sickle cell disease. Ate 8 ku 10 kwabo bafa nga tebanaweza myaka 5. Kati bwe tubeera wano leero ku lunaku luno tweyongera okulaba tukoze tutya abantu okubakebera nga bakazaalibwa, naye tugenze ne mu masomero, naye nga kati program ya ministry is omwana olumuzaala ng'omanya kikyali. Okumanya kikyali nga bukyali kikuyamba okumuyunga ku bujjanjabi, tuleme kufuna ebitundu 8 ku 10 nga bafa nga tebanaweza myaka 5. Naye ffe nga JCRC tweyongera mu maaso okugamba nti okuwa eddagala kirungi, okuliwa amangu, naye twagala okuwonyeza ddala obulwadde buno bwa Nalubiri. Era tuli mu kusonda sente tuteekewo ekifo erubowa we tuyinza okukyusiza obusomyo okuwonya bano abaana. Okukyusa obusomyo gye kiri awalala wonna mu nsi, naye ffe wano Uganda tetukirina. Abagala okukyusa obusomyo bagenda bweru mu India, era kati tulina kliniki y'abaana nga 20 be tulabirira abakyusa obusomyo ebweru. Kati wano twagala tuteekewo ekifo ekyo nga tulina abantu abatukwatirako mu kusonda sente. Gavumenti twagisabye naye ejja kutuyamba. Tuyina ne Pearl Bank ya pledging okutuwa $2 million eyongera okutuyambako okunoonya sente mu bantu. Ne Katikkiro ow'e Buganda atuyambako okubunya eddoboozi n'okunoonya sente. Naye ate ng'ekifo kino bwe tukiteekawo tujja kusobola n'okukola kye tuyita gene therapy. Mu Luganda simanyi ngeri ya kukinyonnyola, naye nga gene therapy eyo ate asingako ku bone marrow transplant okutuusa obusomyo, naye nga tulina already Abakugu basomye, era tusuubira nti bwe tufuna ebikola ku Joint Clinical Research Center kino ekintu tujja kusobola okukikola. Wadde essaawa eno product eziriwo eza gene therapy ziri mu America, ziri mu Europe, za sente nyingi nnyo tetuzisobola.
Ensonga lwaki Pearl Bank esazeewo okupartneringa ne GCRC. One of our pillars as a bank is corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility kukwatirako n'abantu abo aba community okulaba nga nabo baba bulungi. Then kwezo pillars tulina pillar gye bayita health, ebyobujjanjabi, ebyobulamu. Buli wobeera n'omuntu nga mulamu n'ensi ebaki n'ensi ebannamu obola nga twakwatiramu ne GCRC as they're buying the bone marrow transplant tukwatagane nabo naffe tu partnering nabo tulabe nga bone marrow transplant naye ejjawa ejja mu Uganda so that abantu sente zebadde bateekamu nga bagenda ebweru baba savinga nga operation ekola ki ekolebwa wano. Tusanyusa nnyo balaba. We are very happy and we promise to foster prosperity as our main objective as Pearl Bank.
National commemoration, a day that calls every Ugandan, every leader and every partner to account. We gather here not to simply mark a day on the calendar, but to confront a disease which I also want to say is a condition that has long exerted a devastating role on our children, our families, and our communities. I am proud that we are all here in Jinja, the heart of Busoga, a sub-region that has warmly embraced this commemoration day itself, and is at the center of Uganda sickle cell's burden. This is also a reminder that our health systems must be simultaneously alert for multiple outbreaks and threats. I commend the organizers and the leadership of the National Coordination Sickle Cell Disease Program for ensuring that safety is paramount even as we celebrate and mark this day. You have done an outstanding job. Thank you. Everyone who is tests positive today for the trait must receive informed counseling on reproductive choices. Every child identified with the disease must be linked to care before complications develop. This is the only acceptable standard. Uganda has one of the highest burdens of sickle cell disease in the world. Sickle cell traits affects between 13 and 15% of our population. Each year, approximately 20 children are born with sickle cell disease, and between 6,000 and 9,000 die before they attain the 5 years, most of whom is informally diagnosed. This disease, as we've heard, is preventable. That is a statement, that's a fact that we need to commemorate this day, and we have to say preventable disease demand a preventable response. Allow me to highlight the progress and milestones as of today. All the people who spoke today have already made their mark. Fellow Ugandans, we are not aware we have moved a long journey in the last 5 years. The fight against sickle cell disease has moved from the margins of the center of our national health agenda. I am pleased to report the following milestones. Nationwide mandatory newborn screening. In February 2026, Uganda launched a national mandatory newborn screening program. Every child born in Uganda in the public and private sector will must be tested at birth. Through the local development, which is Bubu program, Uganda is now producing its own rapid diagnostic kits. The point of care machines are also available in all our regional referral hospitals and some selected general hospitals for quality assured tests, and now we are doing quality assurance and monitoring of these care tests. Early diagnosis means interventions, and early interventions save lives. Hydroxyurea is available and procured by government and distributed in the facilities. With the recent launch of the production of local manufacturing of hydroxyurea by Quality Chemical Industries, this disease-modifying medicine reduces pain crises, decreases hospital admissions, and lowers transfusion requirements. All children confirmed with sickle cell disease are now commencing on hydroxyurea as early as 9 months of age. It has been added to the National Essential Medicines list, distribution to the lower health facilities, and this is underway.
Omubiri kusanyalala olubuto ne luluma